If you want to know the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing, you are watching a great video today. In this video, I will share with you a step-by-step guide to earn money online with affiliate marketing in 2023. Today, we are going to tell you if you use a website called Food Workout. It's a serious game changer when it comes to discovering and following recipes that suit your tastes and nutritional goals. You know what it's like when you have a bunch of different recipes all over. If the place is scattered, well, food practice will solve these problems. Through keeping all your favorite recipes in one convenient place, plus make grocery shopping a breeze, because you can easily see what you need and follow cooking instructions without fuss. You just enter your favorites and you can even give them a custom URL so others can find them too, which I think is really cool with meal practice. You can even control your dinner routine like a boss. You can create for entire menus a week and save yourself the hassle of grocery shopping trips. Just imagine everything you need once, a total time saving. A much cooler food theory not only helps you keep track of your cooking adventures, but also lets your favorite see what recipes you make most often, which is a win-win situation. Now let's talk about the fun part of discovering new recipes you can use. Go old school and get recommendations from people you trust. I mean, who doesn't like tired and true recipes from friends, or you can network with others who share your taste preferences and be inspired by their culinary creations. The food community is right at your fingertips, and here cherry on the meal practice shows you recipes that real people won't guess anymore, or they wonder if the recipe is worth typing. You can see what successful keto diets are achieving week by week. Even busy parents share their meals for those random weeknights, and you can save your favorite meals to your own cookbook in food practice. It's a great way to expand your collection and keep things fresh in the kitchen. So now that you know all about food coaching, let's get down to how you can start making some serious money with it. In the first stage of our monetization process, we create an extraordinary legal order using food practice. So I just scroll down and press the register now button at the bottom. When you're signing up, you'll get a small message saying that initial account registration is only available as part of the recipe generation process. Click the button below. Don't worry, just click on the green button that says AI Recipe Generator to get started. You will now be taken to a page where there are a bunch of different cooking options to choose from. In the next step, when you choose the chicken, choose the feeding style that suits your taste. I'm all about keeping things healthy, so that's the topic I'm coming to now. Once you've made your selections, hit the generate suggestion button and watch the magic happen. Now that the AI has generated the instructions for you, it's time to make a decision. Take a good look at those options and go for the one you think is the tastiest. For me, being a big fan of tandoori chicken, so that's what I click on, and I suggest When you click on that, you have your custom healthy recipe right in front of you with all the ingredients below that you need step-by-step instructions to make it. Now that you've viewed the recipe and your mouth is watering, it's time to save it. This is where you create your food practice. Just enter your email address here, and once you verify your account, you'll be sent a confirmation link in an email that you're officially part of the food practice family. Now go ahead and save the delicious recipe by clicking on the little heart icon. You can even add it to your schedule by clicking the Add to Schedule button. Once you've done that, you can select the week and day you want to eat this delicious meal. Now let's move on to our monetization process and create some fun Instagram posts using Canva. First, we collect all the recipe information you've generated from the food exercise. Copy these instructions and enter Canva. Of course, it is better to use Canva Pro. Built-in templates and elements to create engaging posts for Instagram. But we use the free version here. You should choose a template that suit your style and then use elements to add and make your post attractive. You can use food templates and don't forget exciting graphics. Of course, here I am introduction you a great site for PNG images that you can use to make Instagram posts. The name of this site is PNG Winning. You can choose PNG image about any topic. After you have prepared your Instagram post, now your followers will increase and you will start receiving commissions. Step 3. Find cooking products to advertise on ClickBank. You will earn some extra cash so you can register on ClickBank and find cooking products. When you enter ClickBank, you will find cookbooks and other culinary treasures in categories. You can check different so you get your affiliate link, share with your poster on Instagram. Of course, it's possible that your affiliate links will be identified by Instagram as spam. That's why my advice is that a blog or a page like Google Site Builder, right? Put your link there and then share your blog URL on Instagram. With this method, you can earn money online with affiliate marketing method easily and for free, and of course with AI.